So, is it? Pull it out.
Oh my gosh.
Let's see. So C2
Mm-hmm.
left. Like right there.
Oh my gosh. Did you hear that?
Yeah. Occiput.